In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade demo on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to TradeLocker.com and you want to click on Start Trading. And then the easiest way for you to actually go ahead and start trading demo is to click on Find a Broker. Click on over here where it says free demo, and then here you'll be able to select one of the brands that work with TradeLocker. So basically different brokers over here. You can select whichever one you want. All of them offer a free demo, as it says over here below their names. And after that, you basically just want to create an account. So for example, I have an account on Blue Markets. I'm going to click over here. It's going to redirect you to that specific broker. There we go. And then over here, you can go ahead and sign up. You're going to have to put in some of your info. And after you do that, you're going to be able to log into your account. And it's going to look something like this over here. Of course, whichever broker you chose, this is completely up to you. Make sure you do the research before you actually select one of these brokers. It's completely up to you again. And all of the dashboards look a bit different. So it's not always going to be the same as you can see on my screen. But most of the time, it's going to have a My Accounts or just Accounts or Account tab somewhere here on the right or on the left on or your screen, and then you'll be able to find the option to create an account type. Select TradeLocker demo, then you'll have to select the currency, leverage, and balance, and then create the account. After that, most of these brokers or most of these platforms you can create a free demo account with will basically send you an email to your email where you'll have your credentials to sign in the TradeLocker. And then whenever you find that email, you can go ahead to the website, which is called demo.tradelocker.com. You have to type in your email, your password, which is going to be provided inside the email they sent you, and then also the server, which is also going to be inside your email like this. I just pasted everything in, and then you want to click on login. And just like that, you've successfully opened up your trading account and you can start trading demo on TradeLocker. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.